Imagine turning an entire lecture or massive PDF into clean study notes in less than 1 minute, because that's exactly what Mindgrasp AI is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how students are using this AI tool in 2026 to study faster, stay organized, and save hours every week. Mindgrasp AI is basically an AI-powered study assistant that can summarize PDFs, YouTube videos, lecture recordings, research papers, articles, and even audio files, then automatically generate notes, flashcards, quizzes, and AI explanations from the content you upload. To get started, you simply go to the Mindgrasp website, create an account, and upload your study material. This can be a PDF from class, a recorded lecture, a YouTube tutorial, or even a PowerPoint converted into PDF format. After uploading the file, the AI starts analyzing the content, and within seconds, it creates a full study breakdown, including summaries, key points, flashcards, and quiz questions. One of the coolest features is the AI tutor, because you can actually ask questions about your uploaded material, almost like chatting with a private teacher. So if you don't understand a topic from your lecture, you can ask the AI to explain it in simpler words. Another really useful feature is the flashcard generator, because it automatically creates practice questions that help with memorization and exam preparation. A lot of students online say this feature saves them hours during finals week because they no longer need to manually create study cards themselves. The platform also works with YouTube videos, which means you can paste a video link and get notes and summaries without watching the entire thing again. According to many users online, the biggest advantage of Mindgrasp AI is speed, because it turns long and messy study material into organized notes very quickly. People also like the clean interface and how beginner-friendly the platform feels. Many Reddit users said it helped them manage multiple classes and reduce stress during exams. But to keep this tutorial honest, there are also some downsides you should know before using it. The biggest complaints online are related to billing and subscriptions, especially users forgetting to cancel the free trial and later getting charged. Some Trustpilot reviews also mention slow customer support responses and cancellation problems. So if you test the free trial, make sure you pay attention to the billing settings. Another thing to remember is that AI summaries are not always perfect. If the lecture is very technical or the audio quality is bad, the notes might miss some details. So it's still important to review the original material instead of relying completely on the AI. Overall, though, Mindgrasp AI does seem like a very useful tool for students who deal with long lectures, large PDFs, and heavy workloads, because it can seriously reduce the time spent organizing study material. It's not magic, and it won't replace real studying, but as a study assistant, it can definitely make learning faster and more manageable. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials and honest reviews.